Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Himani and on this channel I share guidance for students and IT employees to build their career successfully. Today we are starting with week 1, Introduction to the IT industry and roles. You will learn what the IT industry is, why it's important, the types of companies, different role available and the skills you need to grow. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap of where you can start and how you can move ahead in your IT career. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned till the end. So let's discuss. So week 1 is the core programming and logic and today is the first day. So first today I would like to give some overview like what is the IT industry and its roles. So let's start. So as we can see, like what is the IT industry? The IT industry deals with the computers, networks, software, and data to create, process, store, secure, and exchange information. It is the backbone of the digital world. And power sectors, you can see banking, healthcare, e-commerce, education, manufacturing, and entertainment. This is the backbone of the digital world. Okay. Key areas you can see hardware. In hardware, servers, laptops, networking devices, these all came. Okay. In the software, application you can see MS Office, SAP, ERP, it's application. Okay. And in networking, internet, intranet, and the cloud. Data and security, storage, analysis, cybersecurity. These all came in the data and security areas. Okay. Think of IT as the nervous system of modern organization. Okay. So let's discuss second. What is the growth and importance of IT? So here is the huge contributor to global GDP. Okay. High demand of the job sector. New technology and reshaping IT is the AI and the machine learning, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data science, and DevOps and automation. So for the student, opportunity and growth is there. Okay, and for the employees, continuous learning and adaptation. For the employees, you need to continuous learn and to gain the new skills so that you can adapt with the current technology. Okay, in the IT. Now let's discuss about the types of companies. Okay, types of IT companies. So there is three different types of companies you can see here. First one is the service based. So service based like a TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and Accenture. Product based is Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Adobe, and a startup is the Zomato and Swiggy. Okay. Service based is mainly in which employees support to the other businesses, okay, and other product. But product based companies in which employee make their own product in this company. And the startup is the small company, like it's mainly work for the growth and like Zomato and the Swiggy. It's a small. So let's discuss about the roles in the IT industry. So different types of roles is there in the IT industry. First, you can see the development. So development mainly it's come front end, back end, full stack, and mobile development. So front end in which you have to which in front you will be able to see. Okay, like user interface or application interface, you can see it's a front end. Back end, it's like uh, development or coding which you done in the back end. Okay, and full stack is the complete both the combination of the full front end and the back end. And mobile app development, you can say like a Android mobile app development. Okay, and testing and quality assurance Here it came manual testing, automation, performance. Okay, manual testing in which you no need to write any script for the automation. You have to do it's a manually, but in the automation, you just write one script and it will work automatically. And performance means you have to check the performance, whether it's working fine or not. Third, system and infrastructure. So system and infrastructure, it's mainly sysadmin, cloud, and DevOps. This type of role you can see in the system and infrastructure. Okay, and data and analytics, you can see here DBA, analyst, scientist, and big data. This type of role you can see in the data and analytics. Cybersecurity analyst type of role will be there, ethical hacker or engineer. IT support and operations, it's mainly help desk, application and production. Okay, help desk in which you have to resolve the issue of the user, and application in which you have to troubleshoot and take care of the complete application. Okay, and production where you have to work in the high level like deployment and all. Okay, so here you can see the project and business roles. It's the seventh role in the IT. Here you will get roles in the BA, project manager, scrum master. Okay, yeah. Development role you can see front end developer is UI and UX. Okay, user interface like which we all see in the front of the applications or interface you can say. Backend database and API. Okay, like in the database we work in the backend. So these all work done by the database engineer. Full stack is both front end and back end. And mobile app developer mainly it's for the Android and iOS apps. Okay. Skills which require Java, Python, C++, JavaScript, framework, and problem solving. Now you can see here the testing and quality assurance. Okay. So there are different type of role. First is the manual tester, second is the automation tester, third is the performance, which I discussed above. Manual tester, you can see here test applications without automation. Okay. And in automation, you can see write automated script. So these all taken care by the automation tester. Okay. Performance tester is mainly to check app speed, stability, and load. So for this skills required is the Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, problem analysis. Okay. Next role you can see here system and infrastructure. So system and administrator you can see manage server. Main role is to manage the server, network, and operating system. Okay. Cloud engineer. Cloud engineer they can mainly role or they can mainly work on the AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Okay. DevOps engineer, automation and the CI/CD, continuous integration and the continuous deployment. Okay. Skills required is the Linux, networking, Docker, and Kubernetes. Okay, for this role. Second IT role you can see here is the data and analytics. Okay, so in this database administrator role you can see its mainly role is to data management. Okay, data analyst mainly role is to business insights. It's related to business insights. And data scientist AI ML predictions. It's mainly work on this artificial intelligence and the machine learning. Big data engineer, it's work on the large scale data processing. Okay. Skills which required is the SQL, Python, R, Hadoop, and the Spark. Data and analytics. Okay. Next, you can see cybersecurity. Cybersecurity, you can see the different type of roles like security analyst. Its main work is to monitor the threats, and the ethical hacker. Its main work is to find vulnerabilities. Security engineer build defense systems. And skills is required is the networking, cryptography, firewalls, and the security tools. Okay. Next, you can see IT support and operations roles. So, first role you can see the help desk support. So, its mainly work is to user issues, hardware or software. Application support, maintain and troubleshoot the mainly applications. Okay. Production support is to ensure live system stability. So, this is the main production support engineer. Main role is to ensure live system stability. Those systems are live, you have to make sure that system is working smoothly and is stable. Okay. Skills required is the troubleshooting, communication, operating system, and the ticketing tools. Ticketing tools like a Jira or a ServiceNow. Communication, it's a mandatory, like it's play a very important role in the IT industry to communicate with the users and the client and the team members. So yeah. Next is the project and the business roles. So business analyst. So here its main work is to connect business needs with technology. And project manager is manages timelines, resources. A scrum master is to facilitate agile processes. Okay. Skills is the communication, leadership, agile, scrum. These are the skills. So this is the project and business role. Next, you can see here skills needed to start in IT. First, you can see the core programming and logic. Okay, means foundation for all roles. You should have at least programming language and basics knowledge you should have. Okay, problem solving and analytical thinking. Like you should have this skills. How to solve the problem, how to debug and optimize, how to troubleshoot or debug the issues of the applications, or if any logs issues are there, then how you are debugging that. So you should have the problem solving skills. Next is the communication skills. Communication is for the teamwork and the client interaction. Okay, adaptability and continuous learning. So yeah, it's also very important, like to rapid tech changes. Continuous, we are also aware about the rapidly new technologies are changing. Like currently, it's a cloud and a completely AI based going on. Okay, so you have to learn and adapt this new technology. Okay, so continuous learning is the key to survive in the IT. Okay. Career path in IT, you can see first is the entry level. Entry level, you can just got an opportunity in the trainee engineer, support engineer, QA engineer, or either junior developer. Mid level is the developer, analyst, system engineer, or a team lead. Okay. Senior level, it's a architect, project manager, and product manager. It's a senior level. And leadership is the CTO. Okay, CTO, CIO, and the delivery head. CTO is mainly stands for the Chief Technology Officer, and CIO is for the Chief Operation Information Officer. Okay. Now let's discuss about the key takeaway. Like in the IT industry is vast. Okay, with roles ranging from programming to management. It's a vast, and every role requires core logic, problem solving, and adaptability. Okay, and if a student master fundamentals of programming and IT concept in week one, they will be ready to specialize further. So that's all for today. If you like this content, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.